everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to try this amazing robot kitchen chef called Kobe21 by Kitchen Idea. First, you need to attach the multi-function blade into the jar and lock it tight at the bottom base. Turn the lock clockwise. Make sure the arrow is aligned with the lock sign. Now our jar is ready. Kobe21 is a multi-cooker that can automatically adjust the heat, temperature, and stir-frying frequency according to recipes. It stores thousands of recipes labeled with ingredient amounts and seasoning formulas in its system. All you need to do is to put the ingredients and seasonings into the jar. Then click Start and wait for the dish to be served. From their list of recipes, I chose to make braised spare ribs. Place the basket into the jar, put the chopped spare ribs, and add in 1,500 grams water. Pop on the lid and press the start button. This first step is very essential to the cleaning process, as it removes scum from the meat. You can totally skip this step, but it just takes 5 minutes to have a scum-free meat in your dish, so why not? When the timer ends, open the lid and take out the basket using the spatula handle, then rinse and drain the meat. When you press the play button, a message will pop up indicating the ingredients you will need. With the clean jar hooked with the stirring blade, add the oil and place the lid on. To close the lid, press down firmly until the lid fits the jar and turn it clockwise till they are tightened. Press the play button to start cooking. Add in 10 grams sliced ginger, 25 grams rock sugar, and 10 grams spring onion. After adding all the aromatics, add the clean sliced spare ribs. Unfortunately, it wasn't captured by my camera. The battery died without me noticing it. After the 3 minutes countdown, add the 50 grams Shaoxing wine, 26 grams light soy sauce, 8 grams dark soy sauce, and 350 grams water. In addition to the screen that comes with the machine, the mobile application can also control Kodi remotely, both available on iOS and Android phones. After adding the last ingredient, all you need to do is wait for Kobe21 to do the rest of the cooking. Meanwhile, you can prepare for the next dish or just take a beauty rest. The Kitchen Idea pioneers of precise groundbreaking 180 degrees Celsius temperature precision control with rapid heating technology. Our braised spare ribs is done. The temperature is adjustable from 37 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius, offering precise control through 10 heating levels to ensure perfect culinary outcomes. Kitchen Idea chefs come from all over China to share the traditional flavors of their respective hometowns, and it is equipped with over 1,000 recipes to serve authentic Chinese flavors. It is the only multi-cooker that is capable of preparing Chinese stir-fries, and that is what we are going to prepare next. Attach the stir-frying blade in the dry and clean jar. The blade is designed for stir-frying with the up and down blade. The ingredients will not be half-cooked, but will get thoroughly cooked faster. The jar can heat up the oil in just 5 seconds, and 5 minutes to complete the dish. How cool is that? Always remember though, when you remove the lid during cooking, a warning message will pop up and the cooking time stops too. After adding the oil, add the celery, carrots, capsicums, and black fungus. The stir-frying process will only take 1 minute and 30 seconds. That is because of the high temperature settings. The recipe calls for 2 grams salt and 2 grams vegetable MSG. But since I don't have MSG at hand, I use 1 tablespoon oyster sauce instead. Finally, add lily bulb and let it stir fry evenly. You can select different kinds of vegetables according to the current season. When the cooking is done, you will hear a voice saying, "Cooking is done, bon appetit." With Cody 21, you can have a dish prepared in just 5 minutes. How cool is that? I was very impressed with how the vegetables turned out. It's not too soft and not hard either. It was cooked perfectly. You don't need to worry about how big the fire should be or how long you need to cook it because it's already been preset for you. What is so amazing about Cody 21 is that the recipes will be available for free forever, and 10 to 100 new recipes will be introduced every quarter. There is no need to worry about the taste. It's easy to operate. Just follow the recipes and you can create delicious dishes. It is smoke-free, safe, and doesn't splatter oil, making it suitable for both the elderly and children. It is a perfect housewarming gift to your family and friends, or a simple treat to yourself because you deserved it. It's great to have a robot chef in your kitchen. If you are interested in knowing more about the product, I will leave the link in the description below for you to check out. Cody 21 can function as a blender, kettle, electronic scale, whisk, juicer machine, soy milk maker, dough maker, grinder, rice cooker, and many more. I have tried using it to deep fry chicken feet. Any chicken skin to oil contact will cause a lot of oil splatter and popping. It's even worse when there's moisture on the chicken feet, but with Cody 21, there was no oil splattering. I think I will be doing this dish more often. Beginners can make fantastic meals. Just follow the step-by-step instructions and sophisticated cuisines can be easily made. I also tried the steam function. Cody's steamer is made of stainless steel instead of plastic. Great for users who are concerned about the health risks of using plastic in high temperatures. Bring Cody 21 home. Home-cooked meals, international cuisines, chef-crafted recipes, all at the push of a button. Cooking becomes effortless and enjoyable. You and your loved ones will thank you for it. Enjoy easy and delicious cooking. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, leave me a message in the comments section below. It would mean a lot to me. Until my next video, bye for now.